Hello, welcome to my channel again. This is the review of the USS Archimedes from FANHOME. This ship aired in Star Trek Lower Decks. And this is the 14th, it's the 14th or 15th ship. I'll just double check. Yeah, sorry, 15th ship. So this is the 15th ship from the FANHOME collection. This ship is really good design. It's very similar to like the Enterprise D. So it's very similar to like an Excelsior class ship. Very similar to an Excelsior class ship. It's got sort of like the Enterprise E Sovereign sort of like nacelles. But yeah, it has a lot of aspects and designs from the Excelsior class ships. So it comes with the standard box here. So you've got Star Trek Lower Decks, magazine, and ship as well. Another sort of like small ship from FANHOME. And yeah, so U.S.S Archimedes NCC 83002. So just the standard magazine. So it's OBEN class. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Active 2381. Captain SONYA Gomez. Weaponry, phasers, photon torpedoes, defense, deflectors, magnetic, hull plating, mission, diplomatic contacts. So it was basically for used for diplomatic missions. Just a little bit of history of the ship. So the U.S.S Archimedes NCC 83002 was an OBENA class ship that was in service in 2380. It was often assigned to diplomatic missions such as establishing first contact with newly discovered species in 2381. It was under the command of Captain SONYA Gomez, who had served as an ensign aboard the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. So yeah, this was one of the crew members from the Enterprise D that finally captained her own ship. First sight of the design OBENA class was closely related to the Excelsior class. Yep, know it. But this kind of ship was much larger and had an overall rather oval rather than the circular saucer section. It was also fitted with modern warp nacelles using the design that shaped with the Sovereign class. Yeah. It had warp impulse engines, carried 6A shuttles and well as transporters. It was armed with phasers, photon torpedoes, and was protected by deflector shields and magnetized hull plating. So so it had designs from the Excelsior and Sovereign class. So yeah, standard magazine, and here's the ship. And yeah, I'll just get this off its stand. And yeah, you can look at this. This does have a lot of the design aspects from the Excelsior class, especially this part under here. Very Excelsior class design, pretty much nearly the same. The deflector dish as well. Oh. Whoops, sorry. Dropped out of my hand, but it's okay. Dropped on the carpet. And yeah, with the saucer section, this one has an oval shape, where the saucer section on the Excelsior is more circular. And yeah, you've got the nacelles as well, which are taken from the Sovereign class as well. Yeah, it's quite weighty. I say it's top heavy, so it's quite heavy at the front. So the saucer section is die cast, underside is plastic, and then this whole section here plastic, and the cells are plastic. But yeah, this is a really good design. I really do like it. Yeah, I do remember seeing this in one of the episodes from Star Trek Lower Decks. Really good, nice addition to the collection. Can't wait for the next ship, and I believe the next ship is the Protostar, and that's the XL one. So yeah, the next ship in the collection is the Protostar, and then I believe after that it's one of the ships from Discovery, the 32nd century ships. I think it's based on the Constitution class. I'm not quite sure when that one does come out. A really weird design, but it's good that FANHOME are actually doing ships from the 32nd century, and I really do hope they do the Voyager J as well. But yeah, this ship is very similar to, size and design to one of my other ships, so I'll just pop that on the stand there. And if I can get, yeah, I'll get the the Excelsior 2, which is here. So yeah, side by side, they are very similar side by side. They've pretty much got the same overall shape of the cells. Saucer section. The cells are completely different. So yeah, but a very, very, very similar design. And if I can get or find the XL, my XL Excelsior. Sorry, just gotta leave some stuff out of the way. So yeah, I'll be in this display case here. Where is it? Ah, yeah, here we go. Let's get the Excelsior. And here's the XL Excelsior from Master Replicas. And yeah, as you can see, if I just reposition that, I'll give you a close-up. So yeah, so the Archimedes takes a lot of design features from this. So with the Excelsior, it has the circular saucer section, where these two have the overall sort of oval shape. But I say like both these two, the Archimedes and the Excelsior 2 class, very, very similar in design, just a few slight differences. But yeah, like I do like the Archimedes. It's a really nice design. And as you know, my ship collection is steadily growing. Also, on pre-order, from Master Replicas, I have the one ship I'm really looking forward to coming, and that is the SR Normandy 2 from Mass Effect 3, which I was absolutely thrilled to see that Master Replicas are going to start doing ships from Mass Effect. And what a first ship to bring out, the SR2 Normandy, which I will be doing a long in-depth review video of that, and I can't wait to see what other ships Master Replicas will do from the Mass Effect series. So I'll just pop this back in its display case. I might reorganise my collection and have like all the Excelsior, the original Excelsior and the Excelsior 2 together. I'm always tweaking and changing my collection, moving it around. I do need to get more display space. So probably in the near future I will be getting another display cabinet, maybe to go over in the corner. But yeah, I hope you like watching this video. So please like and subscribe down in the subscription. And next upcoming video will be the XL Protostar, which I'm very much looking forward to. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.